on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Pickup. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, today, man, I'm off today.
Yes, sir.
I haven't said it in a long time because they've been working me to death at work. And it's the first time I've been off in a while since I've got my office space. And got a lot to do today. Got a lot of packages going out. This is going to be a what sold video, but I got packages here because I haven't fully moved, fully, I can't even talk today. Moved everything over to the office, so I still got stuff here and stuff over there, so it's kind of everywhere. I've already pulled a lot of my stuff here, so we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna show you what sold, what I got here. Then we're gonna have to drive over to the office for me to get the other stuff to ship. So I finished the what sold there. But in the meantime, I got that stuff, and I also got some socks to make, and it's just a busy week, which is a good thing, don't get me wrong. But so I'm gonna go downstairs and make those socks. So you having a good day so far, Bronx? Yeah, me and Bronx chilling out. So we get over here, but first let's go downstairs and make these socks. All right, let's go. Check these out. It's kind of dark in here, so you can probably see them. Let me hold them up one at a time. This is Luca. Perfect time to get these socks, man, because he hit a last-second shot last night that was epic.
Yes, sir.
Luca, he's a beast. I was telling people about Luca before he even came to the NBA, because of course he was pro overseas for a while. I knew he was going to be good, and he has not missed a beat. He's dope. I like him. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you who got these. I can't think of his name right now. I'm gonna go to the computer. Let me go to the computer real quick. This is from a guy, Chris. Yeah, he hit me up. He said he's a viewer and subscriber. I appreciate that, Chris. And he ordered these 2 pair of socks. Basically, let's see. Show you one more time. Dirk Nowitzki. I guess that's how you say his name. But he was killer for years and years. I used to watch him all the time. First big guy that I could remember who had a shot like him. I mean, it was crazy. And then, of course, Luca played 1 year with him, pretty much his last year. And Luca said that was his favorite player, so that was great for him. But anyway, now he's at Dallas killing as a young buck. He's only 21 years old, killing. So he got both of these socks. Chris, I appreciate it. I hope you like them. He just said he wanted a collage of these players on 2 pairs of socks, of course. Kobe's. Somebody ordered. There's a viewer of the channel. These socks like this, of course, I don't like half an order, of course, because it's copyright stuff. But sometimes people send in pictures and want certain things do. I'll do one off. You know, I don't have no problem with that. But of course, I'm not just selling them like that. So for y'all people who are asking, that's what I do. People send in pictures, I make them. It's whatever. You understand what I'm saying? The first thing I got going out is this set of calligraphy pens. I actually got 2 of these from Gimme 5. I spent $3 a piece on these. One sold for $19.99, free shipping. Second thing I got going out is this, bring it up. It's this Lotto 3 Tinks 9-rut combo. It's for, I guess if you're a deer hunter or something like that. Excuse my son, he's over playing Fortnite, he's all loud. Anyway, it sold for $18.89, free shipping. This right here, I've been having these for a while. It's like one of the first things I got when I started reselling, and it sold. So that's a good thing because I pay a little bit of nothing for that. Third thing I got going out is this Yamaha RAV 150 remote. I got this and 2 other remotes I remember. I'm probably about $2 into this, and this sold for $34.99 plus shipping. This is a neat remote. It kind of opens up like that. Boom. That's an actual remote. Get the other button. It's pretty neat. Anyway, I got these little plates going out. Hardware Aces or whatever. They ceramic. They went for $15.99 plus shipping. Buyer's about $25 or $27 into that. So that was a good buy. I bought that from the Goodwill, I think, for $3.99. Got this radio going down. Now this one right here is a Hope. Okay, because I listed it. It's for a 2003 Ford Explorer. Got it from the Goodwill. Of course, you see I still got the $7.99 sticker on there. And I took a best offer at $43.99. Free shipping, because that's about what they was going for. It's going to cost me about $7, $8 to ship. And hopefully it works. If not, I guess it'll come back, right? That's the thing about selling radios. You know, you can't really hook them up. I guess you could, but it'd just be too much headache. Oh, well. Got this shirt going out. It's a Gitman's, Gitman, Bros Master Shirt. So for $17.49 plus shipping. Got that a while back because I haven't been buying clothes for a while. And for some reason this weekend people bought, actually, here go another one right here. It's an Out of My Mind vintage shirt, single stitch. It went for $18.89, and this actually went to a viewer. This actually went to the same person that bought the Luka and Dirk socks for me. He said, "Thanks, Dave. How about them Cowboys?" And I agreed. How about them?
Yes, sir.
All you Cowboy haters, I know y'all saying something under your breath, but don't hate. Appreciate. Like, dang, come on. Cowboys got me all choked up. I guess you can't really appreciate because we ain't won a championship since the 90s. But we coming back, all right? Another thing I got going on is these tapes, set of VHS tapes. They only went for $9.44 plus shipping. The shipping was actually more than what they went for. The shipping was $11.55, and they went for $9.44. So 7 VHS tapes, blank Kodak. And yeah, that's about all I got going on at the house. I got about another 7, 8 things that's at the office, so we're gonna pack all this up, take it to the office, because I'm gonna pack this at the office. And when I get there, show you what else I got. I'm back at the office. I'm at the office. I'm over here with Devin. Got Devin with me. Tell him. Just gonna pick out some of the stuff that actually, this is the stuff that I bought up today. This is the stuff that I got this weekend that I'm about to inventory here soon. And I actually sold some stuff out of this bag already. So let's figure out what your boy got in here. That he got a Super Nintendo Super Glows and Ghosts. That's up here. Now look, you see these games up here? These are all the games that I got listed. This is probably 1/10 of what I got to list left. I mean, I got games everywhere. Anyways, Super Nintendo Glows and Ghosts. What'd that go for? That went for $19.99 plus shipping. Oh, so nice column. Next thing is a Clear Click cassette tape USB converter. I'm kind of mad that I sold this because my sister, she's gonna be mad. It's actually in this box. I've been actually inventorying it up, and I seen it a few minutes ago. This is a, I guess if you have a tape player, you could convert it, plug it into a USB on something like a receiver, and play your tape. I can see an album, but don't nobody say, "Hey man, listen to it on tape, it sounds a whole lot better." No. But I guess if that's the only thing you got, you need this, right? But anyway, my sister said she wanted this. And I forgot to take it off eBay and somebody bought it. Sorry, sis. I get you another one, all right? All right, so this Galaway G1208 Wi-Fi extender, I just got this Saturday and it already sold. It's actually in this box over here along with all kind of other stuff. I listed this Saturday and it sold. It sold for $25.90 plus shipping. Yeah, it's always good when you can find something one day and it sells the next day. You understand what I'm saying? Straight up. So Sonic Advance 2003. It's a GameCube, our Game Boy game. I think it's up here somewhere. I remember seeing it. Up here. Is that it? Boom, I'm cold. Promise that wasn't staged. That game went for $21.59 plus shipping. I got this from that big game buy where I paid $1,000 and I got like 70 consoles. I don't know, 300, 400, 500 games, a bunch of these games. So I'm like pennies into this, and $21.59. I done made my money on that probably 5 times so far. And the door mouse trap deal. Let's see if we can find it. See one of these somewhere. I haven't put it in inventory yet. Oh, here we go. Hava Heart live animal cage trap. I was telling y'all, man, the mice and the roaches is out. If you can find stuff to catch any type of rodents, always does good. That sold for $22.50. Free shipping. I put free shipping on that. I bought this on $5 a day, so $5 into it, so for $22.50. I'll take that all day. Sold a pack of vacuum cleaner bags. Now, what's so funny? Anyway, I just bought, these are not the ones I sold, these are the same ones I sold, but I found some more at Gimme 5 this past week. Well, let me make sure it's the same one. Type CC, yeah, Type CC. So I grabbed them, and these are just in where I can grab them, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull them from here. So those for XL, I'm not sure they're the same one. XL, I have 8. I don't know. Let's go and grab the ones. I don't know if these are the same ones. Let's see. Those are in A. I can grab some other stuff out of A anyway. The same one? Yeah, it look like the same ones to me, but anyway. XL, yeah. Those sold for $19.99. Free shipping. So these are gun range hearing protection. I actually sold this to a viewer. He didn't write a comment, but he wrote a comment a while back on Instagram, and I had to find his name. Thank you for buying. I'll put your name on the screen somewhere. He wrote me a comment, asked me if I sold those yet, and I hadn't. And he said he already had bought something, but he happened to buy them from me and didn't even know. So that was kind of crazy. His name is Bukim, Bikim. That's his name. I don't know what his Instagram is name, but like I said, I'll put that on the screen somewhere. Next thing I sold is a trail camera. I'm always interested in trail cameras. I just bought that. Well, no, I didn't. That's right here. It's a trail camera. TC30 trail camera. This is for people looking for Bigfoot. Bruh. They buy stuff like this. That sold for $32 plus shipping. And yeah, only thing that I forgot to show you is I showed 3 game cubes together, broken part for parts. They sold for $100. And I also sold a vest, a camouflage vest, which I'm about to pull out now that you can see right here. Sold that, and that sold for $16 plus shipping. And I got this from an estate sale. I remember getting it. I paid $3 for it, and I bought like 3 or 4 of these. Some of the vests that I got went for over $100. And then some went for $60. This was the cheapest one. Ended up going, I actually took a best offer for $16. I had a list of, I think, 22. Took a best offer. It's a Quail Unlimited. And one more thing that I said I forgot to show you guys, and that might be it. All right, that's it. That was a slow and painful process, but I get everything streamlined. It'll be a whole lot better. I got my bins located, but I just got a bunch of stuff and I actually just happened to sell the stuff before I was actually able to inventory it. And I'm still got some other stuff that I got to do. Look at all this stuff. I say 50% of this is listed, and this is only what 25% of the stuff that I have that I haven't brought over from my house. I mean, it's ridiculous, all right? But slowly but surely, I'm getting it together, and it's starting to come together. Packing stuff is a whole lot easier, I'm telling you that, because everything's here. And I said I always want to show you something that I do. I think last time I did a video, I showed you the futon. This is something new that we just put up. Why you put our face mask in here? You a character, man. What's wrong with you? You ain't even laughing at me. You laughing at that. So we put that up, just a little decoration. And I think I showed y'all this. This is where we keep a lot of our clothes at and take some pictures. So nothing new so far. We got a refrigerator coming. We're gonna put our TV on the wall. We got a nice table coming. Oh, we got some chairs. And we got a desk coming. The desk is gonna be right here. So yeah, I ain't gonna keep y'all too long. A lot of y'all asked for me to keep y'all updated on things that I do, and yeah, so Like, comment, subscribe. If you see this stuff out, get it. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for tuning in. God bless you. Good night, or good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you at. Peace.